Well, hey everybody, how you doing? Here's a couple kits I got. I actually got these from Keith. I did do the video a little bit ago on the one I won from the drawing, and I was thinking, I never even showed you guys these ones. But these are kits that we usually mail back and forth. I'll mail him some that he's trying to look for, and he'll mail me some that I'm trying to look for. And it's just kind of a way, because he can't get all the ones that we can get here in the States, and sometimes he can find the ones I can't find here in the States a little bit cheaper. And so we kind of just try to help each other out and send each other kits. This is one that I didn't know I was going to get, and he sent it to me, and it's a really cool little car, and it's a Suzuki Sport. It's the Alto Works, and it's pretty funny how small this car is, and that they would actually try to race it. Well, I shouldn't say try. They do very well. In their class of cars, they do well. And it's a pretty slick kit. It did, I don't think I ever told you, Keith, but it did come all in one piece. You know, we have trouble sometimes just shipping a state over, and you're shipping it completely across the ocean, and you never know how bad it could go. So this does say, let me make sure, I'm pretty sure this is a 1/24 scale car. I kind of wanted to show you guys the size difference. But this is a Fujimi. I saw it somewhere. It's a 1/24 scale. And so that's that. And this is a, I can't do that. That's a 1/25. That's a 1/25 Pinto. But that's wrong scale. If that was the same scale, that'd be pretty hellacious. But anyhow, this is a 1/24 Porsche next to it. We all know the size of the Porsches are pretty darn small, but I mean that just goes to show how small that thing is. So I would assume this one is a little bit smaller than a Volkswagen Golf. I'm assuming that's probably what kind of class that one is in. So there's that one. Alright, this next one is a kit. I've kind of wanted, I've been doing some, I've been collecting. I haven't really did any of them. Some rally cars, because I do plan on doing a build of them. Let's see. I ended up moving everything in my room, trying to get everything organized. Yeah. So I got that Ford Escort, which is that one right there. And so then on the Ford Escort box, this one's on that box. I thought, oh hell, that'd be pretty cool to have that one. Now I could have ordered it overseas and stuff like that, but I figured, hey, Keith needed some models, I needed some models, so we did the old swap a little. That sure is An awkward designed car, but it did so well in rally racing. And then it has, I don't know what material this is. It's kind of like a hard vinyl-y plastic. And very nice tires. And then this is the last kit he ended up sending. This is the result to R5 Alpine Rally. This is another pretty small car, but it did very well rally racing. It's got the cool 4 big fog lights or racing lights, whatever you want to call it. And same with that Escort. That was something that I really like on this era rally cars, is, you know, the big lights and the just overall look, the the fender flares with them and stuff like that. They're just pretty darn cool. This one does have a couple other views of it, of the different decals that's in it. This one does have a nice size decal kit for it. Now this one is a little bit bigger than that other one. Tires are really small for this car. They're Goodyear. They have a weird texture to them. They don't really have like a mud tread or anything like that. But everything all in one bag. Got the lights and the fender flares, but mud flaps. It's got an engine in this kit, which is very cool. So it's got a nice engine bay. Let's see. Here's the engine block for, you know, this brand kit, and it's nice to see an engine actually in them. See, I don't know if they're about 50-50, but I've noticed more without the engines than with, so it always helps. You know, I didn't notice in this one if it has the engine. I think it has like a very awkward one. I think it's just yeah, it's kind of a generic one. I mean, it's the 40 part kit, it seems like. There's some really cool decals. Yeah, it's almost like one of them ones that you put a battery in and it drives around. It's kind of a shame, but might just glue that whole body together and just have it be at curbside. It pretty much is. But that's all I really have to show you guys. So until next time, I hope you guys have a really good day, and I'll talk to you then.